Hello, I'm Monica Jareth, a master trainer, coach, and an NLP practitioner. For the next 4 weeks, I'll be your instructor for the training program, The Growth Mindset. This course can be taken by anyone who's looking to break out of self-limiting beliefs and gain new levels of professional and personal success. All the concepts in this training program are backed up by extensive research done by world-renowned psychologist and Stanford professor Dr. Carol Dweck. In this course, we will explore how deeply our mindset influences our actions and the results we produce. We will learn the difference between fixed and growth mindset and understand how it impacts our personality, communication, working style, and even our relationships. You'll be able to identify your own mindset as well and experience the impact by doing hands-on exercises and discussions in the class. We will also be discussing the neuroscience behind our mindset, as mindset begins in our mind. It's interesting to learn how our mind functions and influences our mindset. In this course, we will also talk about some amazing facts about our brain and break some myths about the mindset. Continuing in this journey, we will also learn about the mixed and the false growth mindset as well. No one can have a growth mindset all the time in all the aspects of life. So, we will learn how and when some of our fixed mindset triggers can come into play. How do we recognize those triggers? Why should we accept them? And how do we use them to move on to growth mindset actions rather than denying and reverting back to our comfort zone of doing the same old things? Lastly, we'll talk about how can we use growth mindset in our everyday job and life scenarios and be in control of our actions, leading us to the desired results. Remember, growth mindset is a journey of radiating change from within and being in control of your own mind. So, enroll in this course today to experience the maximum potential of your own mindset and achieve your dream results. Thank you.